Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sekhar'sLogicTricks. Today we are discussing about the squares. General squares are 1 square is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. In general way we get the 10 square is equal to 10 into 10 equal to 100. But we want to find 16 square is 16 into 16. It's some tricky is there, but in this today we are going to learn 11 to 19 squares, 19 squares in 1 seconds. In Vedic in this trick we have only two steps. We follow the two steps without uh, without multiplying, exact multiplying. We get the squares easily. Now we will discuss the squares. 11 square, we take 11 square. In 11 two digits is there. It is ones digit, it is tens digit. Okay, first 11 plus one digit of this, ones digit of this number 1. Generally 11 square is equal to 11 into 11, means 11 into 11, 11. Answer is 121. By not exactly doing these many steps, in these Vedic maths we have single step by finding the squares. See, 11 plus one ones digit of this number slash 1 square, unit digit number and unit square. See, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 square 1, 121. It is the answer. Like this we want to find 11 to 19 squares in 1 second only. Let us discuss. See, 12 square equal to 12, unit digit plus unit digit of this number 2 slash 2 square is equal to 12 plus 2, 14 slash 4, 144 is the answer. Like this we have the 11 to 19 squares. In this two in only two steps it is possible. If you are not like this, we want to find it in a regular multiplication manner. It is tricky. Then this let us discuss another squares. 13 squares, 14 square. 13 square is nothing but 13 plus unit digit of this number slash unit square. 13 plus 6, 13 plus 3, 16, 9, 169 is the answer. Now move to the 14 square. 14 plus unit digit of this number slash 4 square, nothing but 14 plus 4, 18, 4 square is 16. Now we want in this like these sums we want to follow the balancing rule. The balancing rule video in our playlist in our channel. Please watch it. Nothing but place this value bar o 1 plus 8 9, 196. 196 is the 14 square answer. Like this we want to we have 15 16 17 square in this way very easily. Okay, for you try 15 square, 16 square, 17 square. I told you 18 square and 19 square in this video. Please watch it. 18 square nothing but 18 plus 8 by 8 square. 18 plus 8 26, 8 square 81, nothing but 1 8 6 14 1 341 is the answer. Like 19 square, 19 plus 9 of 9 square, 19 plus 9 28, 9 square 81, 1 1 8 8 16, in 16 6 answer, 1 carry, 361 is the answer. Like this we have squares of 11 to 19 in 1 second by this video. Okay, I hope like this you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.